Hello everybody, Bed Dipper here again. Today is April 23rd, 2018. Glorious day here in Minnesota. 70 degrees out. Snow is disappearing quickly. Anyway, this is motor number 2. I've had this motor for a while. I bought this at Tomahawk last year, in August. And I made a video of it last year out on the boat. The thing ran beautiful. But I just wanted to go through it here and give it a good tune-up. Get the shakedown on it, make sure everything was ready to go. So I put a carb kit in it today, replaced all the fuel hoses, put new plug wires on it, put new plugs in it. I did the water pump last fall, which I had forgot about until I took it all apart here today. Changed the gear oil again, which I did last fall. And anyway, we're just dialing it in. So we'll give you a little show on this one. Well, the new water pump last fall. That's forward. That was way down. I don't know if I mentioned it's a 1983 990 John. Running pretty good. And worse.